We are live now.
Are we live?
Yes, we are live. Good
Oh,
afternoon.
hello. It's just like delayed here in my part. I have a delayed signal of internet here. Sorry, ladies. So, hello, everyone. Good afternoon from here. And today we are continuing our um, EU based Pinay Unstoppable Digital Entrepreneur. So, we are in episode 8 with these two beautiful ladies. Hello, ladies. How are you tonight?
Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you are in the world. I am definitely doing great today and doing well.
Wow, that's nice to hear. How about you, Percy? How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you're watching from. So, tonight, our eighth episode of EU based Unstoppable Finai Digital.
Yes, and I guess we always rescheduled our time, and we still have that right time to do our go live now. So thank you, ladies. So today, before we are going to continue to our new episode, and we love to have the topic about um, the benefits of investing into your own digital business. So before that, we would love to introduce ourselves, then we answer our topic. So wants to go first, ladies? Or, Tin, you wanna go first?
Yeah,
Tagalog pala tayo. Tagalog pala tayo.
Tagalog tayo. Definitely, yeah. Um, Ako po ulit ito, si Christine na nakatira dito sa Norway ay isang may bahay at isang ina sa aking dalawang anak na napakakulit pero napakalambing. So, I have toddlers, so ganun talaga yung mga age ng ganong edad na napaka-active. But still, napakasayang kasama. So, yun din ang aking biggest why kung bakit ako nag-start ng aking digital business para lagi ko lang silang makasama at ma-witness yung mga milestones nila habang sila ay lumalaki. So, yun ang sa akin. Our topic right now is the benefits of investing into your own business. Of course, every business laging merong investment. Pag sinabing business, may investment. Kasi pag walang investment, ibig sabihin, isa ka lang empleyado, ordinaryong empleyado, hindi ikaw ay business owner. So, kasi hindi ka naman namuhunan at hindi ka naman nagtayo or nagsimula ng isang negosyo nang walang capital. So, hindi lang ito money-wise. Syempre, marami rin itong tinatahak na landas or mga sinisimulang mga bagay-bagay. So like investing in of your time to your business, syempre kapag nagsisimula pa lang ang business mo, kailangan mong mag-invest ng time. At ang maganda dito, kasi kapag nagtratrabaho ka bilang isang ordinaryong empleyado, pumapasok ka 8 hours to 12 hours sa bawat shift. Like for me, I'm a healthcare worker. So minsan meron kaming shift na 8 hours, meron kaming 12-hour shift yung iba. Nagtratrabaho ka ng ganung oras pero hindi sa'yo yung business. So hindi mo yun maipapasa sa mga anak mo, hindi mo yun maipapasa sa mga other generations or hindi yun ang magiging legacy mo sa buhay mo. Kasi mag stop na yun sa'yo, hanggang sa'yo lang yun. Unlike if you're investing your time into your own digital business, most specifically your digital business, kasi ngayon we're already in the digital world. So, hindi na conventional yung mga businesses. So, napakasarap ng pakiramdam na ngayon, nagtatrabaho ka para sa legacy mo at para sa mga anak mo or if in case, wag naman sana agad-agad na maiiwan mo sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. Siyempre, gusto mo pang ma-enjoy yung buhay. So, ayun ang kahalagahan ng investing onto your own business, not only money-wise, but of course, your dedication, your passion, your time, most importantly, kailangan nandoon siya. Full package siya para mag-succeed yung business mo.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. That's the I guess in this business, yun nga yung sinabi ni Tintin, hindi mo matatawag na business yun kung hindi ka nag-invest. Ang pinagkaiba lang dito ay kailangan mo mag-invest more time and effort. So, how about you, Percy? How can you introduce yourself and directly to our topic? Share?
Okay, guys. So, ito na naman po si Percy sa aming 8th episode. So, ako nga pala si Percy, isang Pilipina naka-base sa Belgium. Isa rin akong ina ng isang binatilyong batang lalaki. So, ang reason ko na nag-invest ako sa negosyo dahil gusto kong mabigyan ng magandang edukasyon ng aking anak dahil turning to college na siya next year. So, ito ang aking why kaya pumasok ako sa negosyo na ito. Of course, kailangan mo rin mag-invest para invest ng oras at ng konting capital para pumasok sa digital online space.
Yun lang?
Mhm.
May add ka pa? Okay. So,
Mamaya.
so I guess she have some more. So ako naman si Michelle. I am based in Spain. So Pilipina din, taga Pilipinas. But right now I am in my vacation. I am in Portugal. So imagine that kahit nasa vacation ka, pwede mong dalhin yung business mo at you can work anytime. So yun yung pinakamaganda sa business na to. So yung today's topic is about benefits of investing in your own digital business. Alam mo yung word na investing your time, your efforts, and to work on your business. Yung business, you need that, right? Kailangan talaga mag-start ng ganun. Kasi as Tintin mentioned, you cannot consider that a business if you don't invest. So kung sarili mong negosyo, kung sarili mo siyang pinapalago, kailangan niya ng efforts. Kailangan ng maraming dedikasyon. Dahil kung nag-invest ka at marami kang binibigay na time, ibig sabihin nun, malapit mong ma-achieve yung transformation na tinatawag. Di ba? Transformation. We can, alam mo, sa business na to, you all based na sa training. Total package na siya. So kung total package na siya, ibig sabihin nun, it's up to you to give your dedication or you give your time, di ba? At ang effort mo sa pagpalago ng business mo. Investing your efforts, investing your dedication, investing the time, spending how many time you spend here, at lagi mo siyang nag-aaral ka kung paano mo siya papalaguin, alam mo, madali ma-receive yung transformation, yung change of life na tinatawag. Di ba, ladies? So, dahil sa business na to, kung mayroon kang why, yung pinakamalaki mong why kung bakit nag-umpisa ka, at bigyan mo ito ng 24/7, kasi di ba, pag nag-plug in ka 24/7, it's working. But if bigyan mo ito ng time para na sabihin mo kung paano ito palaguin, paano aralin yung tinatawag na business. Kasi yun naman dapat, di ba? Dapat alam mo kung paano yung strategies on how you can move forward, kung paano mo mapag-grow yung business mo. So, you know, yun lang ang ginagawa mo sa business na to. Doon you can work anytime, anywhere. So, yun lang para sa akin yung pinaka-capital mo na gagawin. Your time, your efforts, your dedication na gusto mong ma-achieve. Pag gusto mong ma-achieve ng madali, mayroon tayong strategies, mayroon tayong mayroon tayong maraming pinapa-share ng ibang members ng community all over the world. They are sharing the ideas. Di ba? May 2 weeks, 1 month, mayroon ding 2 years, 3 years. But kailangan ng persistent. Yung trabaho online, kailangan yung persistent. Pasensya din. Kasi minsan, when we are traveling, wala kang internet, mahirap din. yun yung pinaka, yun yung pinaka, ano ko, yung problem, sometimes hindi ako makakonect ng internet. But pag lagi mong i-mind na even you are not, even you are offline, nandun pa rin yung business mo eh. Gumagana pa rin siya. So later on, when you come back and return online again, makikita mo na mayroon kang notification. Wow, napakaganda ng feeling talaga sa business na to. Like this two moms, I'm not a mom yet, no? Pero naramdaman ko yung pag katulad ni Tintin, naramdaman ko yung kailangan niya ng time for her kids. So this business is total package for her. Kasi nandun na yun lahat. May time ka sa mga anak mo na mag-spend quality time sa mga anak mo, nandun pa rin yung time na makaspend ka sa business mo. So, malaki, pag nag-invest ka ng malaki din ang benepisyo mo na makukuha sa business na to. Kung mag-invest ka ng time at effort mo. Guaranteed yun. Dahil nakikita namin yan in our community. So, kung gusto mo talagang mas mabilis yung growth, then do it. Make it non-stop, right? Make it plug in all 24/7. Then do it, right? Nasa sayo pa rin yun eh. Every people with a business owner, ang decision ay lagi na sa'yo pag ikaw yung CEO ng business mo on how you can grow your business. So, yun lang ma-share ko. Anything to share, ladies?
That's
Then,
it for me for now.
I can hear. I'm not sure if I am the one who lost my internet or you ladies lose your internet.
No, for me, I've already said mostly of the important things on what to invest on the business. So I think I've already said it.
Okay. So, sa akin naman, aside for investing a capital sa business na ito, after my full-time job, nag-invest din ako ng time ko sa negosyo na ito, even 2 hours a day. At the same time, meron din akong, nag-invest din ako sa aking advertisement, sa ads. So, depende kung anong platform ng social media meron kayo, pwede rin kayong mag-invest. So, ako, in myself, nag-invest ako sa Facebook and then sometimes sa YouTube. Nag-invest ako ng pay ads ko, nagbabayad ako daily. So, luckily, kung sometimes merong leads, sometimes meron. So, depende lang yon sa iyong ads kung gaano siya kaganda or depende sa approach ng iyong advertisement kung papatok ba sa audience. So, gano'n ang negosyo na ito, kailangan mong mag-invest hindi lang sa starting capital and of course sa pagpatakbo sa iba't ibang social media. Kasi kami nag-advertise kami sa social media, hindi kami nagse-selling, nagbebenta, hindi kami nagre-recruit, advertising kami sa social media. So, yun lang siguro, ladies.
Okay, so I guess we are up on time, and that's our share for today. So to those who are watching us, wherever you are in this world, you can watch our replay of webinar available, the link in our website. So you can visit our pages, you can see our website. So register your name and email address, then watch the webinar. Um, I guess you have the reason why you wanted to start an online business. If you don't have any reason of it, just share it to anyone who you think this may help for them, because it is an opportunity, and only a dreamer or a people who wanted something to change this is the right opportunity for them. So make your due diligence. Just uh, go online and research and do. If this business, if you think this is for you, you go ahead. It's all complementary. So that's all for today, our episode. So stay tuned for another episode for next week. We can't promise any day or any time, but we're still continuing our episode. So stay tuned for that. And thank you so much, everyone, for keep following our pages. And thank you also to those who are watching us. I know there's so many people watching us today. Thank you so much for your support. And that's all for today, ladies. Thank you so much, Christine and Percy. Thank you.
Thank you, thank
Maraming
you.
Thank you,
salamat.
thank you. You're welcome.
Salamat po.
Sige, bye-bye. Salamat.
Okay. See you soon, everyone. Bye.